It's our first snowfall of the season. Mountain range is nice and clear right now. I'll be showing, oh geez, the snow come off the roof again. Thank God it was on one side. We only got 4 inches and they were calling for 6, so we were a little shy. Down south they got more snow than we got. So I'll take a few more pictures as we're out riding today if I see something pretty. But I just wanted to show you a little piece of Maine here. Not much snow for us, but this is our first storm with many more to come. Here we are going down our dirt road. They went out and plowed this morning. This is just a little bit here, and hopefully I can catch some more pictures for you. Oops, Ray decided to put the wipers on. This is kind of pretty through here, just getting off our road, getting on the main dirt road here. The trees are very, very pretty this morning. They got some sand down, but it's a little slippery. I just love how the snow sticks to the trees. It was a wet snow, and I guess Ray doesn't think it was wet, but I thought it was wet. But I guess he says it was light and fluffy.
Well, I was out shoveling.
He was out shoveling, so I guess he should know. Okay, we'll see what I can find on my next journey to the city. We're off to the city today. This here is my dad set up his snow blower. It's a Blizzard. I don't know how big it is. We just got to my dad's house, so I'm not quite sure. And this is his setup right here. This is his little John Deere. He loves his John Deere. And then he's got a bucket loader here on the front. And he was plowing. This is down in the city. Okay, folks, I'll see if I can come up with something else. There's the setup.